Sometimes I have to keep on breathing in.
Hi, hello, Arium, Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Random Clips with Pranay.
My lungs are filled with too much pain. All the shadows of the past that I'm so leaving, they held me in my sleepless nights. And I'm running in the noise like a free fall, walking along my path for too long. Save myself from the visions in my mind. Save myself from what I have to fight. And I can take it all away. All of my dreams are fading. Save myself from the visions in my mind. Save myself.
Hello guys, we are at Sip and Bite opposite Galaxy Mall, and here the special one are Vada Pav. So it's a Maharashtrian dish but started in 5 years back over here, and this one is the cheese burger, this is the cheese Vada Pav, this is the masala, and this one is the Italian Vada Pav. So I will start eating from this burger. So just let me show you the filling first. So this is the burger, this is the patties, here is some tomato I can see, and the capsicum, and with the cheese like. So let's first bite, first impression. It is so soft, it's just diluting in my mouth. The bun is soft, the fillings are too good. Cosma. So I ate the cheeseburger which was rupees 60, and now this is the cheesy Vada Pav. So it is of rupees 35 only. Let's taste it. So I will say with that the cheese burger and the cheese Vada Pav is not pretty much different, kind of same taste, but the cheeseburger is having a good taste, better taste than this. Obviously it is rupees 60 and this is rupees 35, just the double. So it is good, quite good. So this is the Italian Vada Pav. Let's see inside what it is. So here we can see the corn and some. This is the capsicum, this is the onion, and some filling with some ketchup. So let's taste it. It does contain some green chutney and the corn. It is kind of different. This one, so this one is the last one and not the least. This is the masala Vada Pav. I think it will taste little bit of different. Let's see what it is inside. So here we can see the green chutney with some sliced onion, some chili, and our red chutney is being spread and with the stuffing. Let's see whether it tastes anything different or not. It is having a little bit of tangy in it. Other than that, it's the similar. So at the end of the day, I will say that every vada pav, the cheesy one, Italian one, or the masala vada pav, everything tasted the same. In the cheesy vada pav, you get the extra mayonnaise. Other than that, every stuffing and the things used are the same. The little bit in difference was that cheesy burger. The size of the bread was bigger, and the vada pav is not the authentic one which you get in the Maharashtra. But one thing I will say that the vada pav was rupees 35, so a minimum price, and at that point you are getting something. I guess that's a good. So grab one in the evening, and that's a good evening snack. So if you're watching this video till this point, don't forget to hit the like button, or you can dislike it, but do one. And if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Subscribe it and hit the bell icon for further notification. Till then, take care, bye bye, signing off. See you soon in my next videos. Eat healthy, stay fit, and as I always say, don't just leave it, explore it. Bye, take care, Jai Hind.